Hello friends, this is Theara again, and I wanted to do a try-ons as a preview for the release tomorrow. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. The first pair is this lotus flower. It comes in two colors, a black and white, and it has this shell beads that is white. So let me try on this black pair, and as you can see that the front and the back of these earrings is the same because it has double the clay front and back. So the reason that I did that, it's because in order for me to put the clay, attach it to this triangle, I have to use another piece of clay and use the bake bond to bond it together. And that's this one here. And it also comes in white, and that's what it looks like. This pair, I have these. This one has a bar and then a lotus at the bottom. So this is very minimalist. If you are a minimalist person, you might like this. And here's what it looks like. So as you can see, like, it's really small. It's hard to see because of my hair. If I do this, you can kind of see. Okay, so that's the black one. Now let's go on and try the white one. Okay, so here's the white one. It's so minimalist and yet very classic, and the hooks makes it really easy to wear. Okay, so next I have the hoops, and it has a bar behind it. Okay, let me try on the black one first. Okay, so this is the black one. That's what it looks like. I have got so many compliments from different people when I wear these earrings. So here's the white pair. That's what it looks like. Okay, so next I have this yellow mustard, but they are bigger lotus flower. As you can see, I have two designs, and I'll do a size comparison with the small lotus. As you can see, there's some big differences in size. So you have a choice between the small and a bigger one. This pair here comes in a few different colors, but I'm only gonna try on this color for today. You will find on my website the variety of colors that this design comes in. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, next is this pair here. This design is supposed to be a fan, and I have little flowers, and it comes in hoops that looks like this, and a bar in the back. This is what it looks like. Now it is quite a turn. This is a different design. It's knitted like a texture of the sweater. This is in white. This is what it looks like. The top is wood, and that's how it looks like. It kind of goes with my necklace. That was unexpected. I love it. It's very feminine, I think. That's the first word that came to my mind. It's very feminine. You can dress it up. Really elevates your look. I actually really love this pair, surprisingly. It's probably one of my favorite pairs now. Well, everything is my favorite, you know that. But this one especially is my favorite. I have these two here. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So the center is actually a moon shape with 3 dangles to balance it out. I like the flow. So next I have these here. So the hook looks like this. It's very secure, and the front and the back look alike. So as you can see here, here's the lavender. It's very minimalist. So I have finished trying on every single pair from this collection. I hope that this is helpful to you to make decision. And the release is tomorrow at 3 p.m. So if you do like something that you saw today, please come back tomorrow at 3 p.m. to purchase them. And as always, thank you so much for watching. This means so much to me that you enjoy watching me trying on the artwork that I made. So I hope that you all have a great day, and I will see you next time in my next video. Goodbye.